The seagulls.
Flock of seagulls? No. Please don't tell me you're gonna like poop all over the place. The seagulls are still here. Ran over. Y'all look excited. You're joking. What? What is this? Ew, dude. Guys, I'm busy. Guys, I'm busy cleaning this. Guys, please. Please. Okay, you want Teens Life has 4 hours? Here, you can have that. I need to clean some of this up, dude. Here we go. Okay. I need to clean. Look, I know there's shit everywhere, but you don't have to overreact, okay? Ew, okay. You know what, maybe overreacting is the right choice because it's nasty.